Rarlong Machinery Co Ltd is a modernized group company. We are professional in manufacturing off-road wheel rims, OEM profile steels, cast-in channel, railway fasteners, Bailey bridge panel, etc. Our OTR wheel rims including off-road mining vehicle wheel rims, port machine rim, forklift wheel rim, excavator wheel, crossbeam machine wheel rim, loader wheel rim, grader wheel rim, road roller wheel rim, agricultural and forestry machine wheel rim, etc. Furthermore, profile steel is another big share of our product chain, including construction steel, cast-in halfen channel, car door hinge, container spare parts, wheel rims spare parts, railway spare parts, customer-oriented cold-drawn steel, cold-rolled profile steel and other customized profile steel types. We have set up a full range of products for construction, off-road vehicle supplier and manufacturer, water conservancy industry, mining industry, automobile industry, metropolitan construction business. All of our product are strict inspection and examined before shipping. We believe high quality and wonderful effect will bring more potential for both our success. Choose Rarlong, choose the wealth. All these products can be OEM by your requirement. We supply you with full range service. Eli WhatsApp +86 13 803 722 027 email sales @Rarlong Machinery.